There's them are the famous waterfalls. It's almost like the
Pero
Niagara.
bastante cerca.
Huge, isn't it? It's almost U-shaped like the Niagara. Tons and tons and tons and tons of water going down the river. It's beautiful. There's a lot of mist you get completely soaked by the water. Lots of people visiting. Hundreds of people here after a very long walk. There it is. I will capture the photo of the fall. There it is. That's neat. And there's even a rainbow there. There's a rainbow there somewhere. You can see the rainbow and lots of water. There's a rainbow somewhere there if you can see it. It's making a lot of noise, and this noise is what has given it the name the Devil's Throat. Because I believe this is the sort of noise that the devil makes when he clears its throat.